Namaste. My name is Lily. Welcome back to my yoga channel. I hope that you will benefit from watching my videos. Today we'll be doing a Vinyasa flow yoga practice. Vinyasa flow is a linking of several postures together. The benefits of doing Vinyasa flow is to strengthen your body, stretch the body. Your mind will become more focused and will give clarity to you. So today we will practice the Vinyasa flow, and yoga will bring harmony to your mind, your body and your breath. So let's start the practice together. Here I am in beautiful Phuket, Thailand. It's a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Let's start our yoga practice. Bring your hand to heart center. Inhale, raise your arms up, look up to the palms of the hands. As you exhale, forward bend, hands flat. Inhale, look up and lengthen. Exhale, step your right leg back, left leg back, come to plank. This is the easy version. Exhale, bend the knees, sit back on your heels. Inhale, slide forward into cobra back bend. As you exhale, tuck the toes, come to downward dog. A little bit more dynamic now. Inhale, come to plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, keep the elbows close to your body. Inhale, slide into your cobra back bend. As you exhale, tuck the toes, downward dog. Now a very dynamic, more strengthening. Come to plank. Exhale, push up. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward dog. Step your right foot forward, bring your left heel down. Inhale, come to warrior one, look up to the palms of the hands. Exhale, open up into your warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior, feel the stretch. Come back to your warrior two, straighten the leg. Come into your triangle, look up to the left hand. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend the knee and come into your side angle bend. Place your hands down to the mat. Step your right leg back, plank. Easy version, sit back on your heels. Inhale, slide forward, cobra back bend. Exhale, tuck the toes, downward dog. Slightly more dynamic, come to plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin. Inhale, come to your cobra back bend. Exhale, tuck the toes, downward dog. More strengthening, now more dynamic, come to plank. Exhale, push up, keep the elbows close. Inhale, up dog, thighs off the floor. Exhale, downward dog. Left foot forward, right heel down, warrior one, left side, look up to the hands. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, come back to warrior two. Straighten your leg, come to triangle. Look up to your right hand. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, come into your side angle bend. Place your hands onto the floor, step your left leg back, plank. Exhale, sit back, easy position. Inhale, cobra back bend. Exhale, downward dog. Slightly harder, bit more dynamic, come to plank. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra, back bend. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips up, downward dog. Now more strengthening, more dynamic, plank. Exhale, push up position, keep your elbows close. Inhale, up dog, thighs off the mat. Exhale, downward dog. Step your right leg forward and your left leg forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, come all the way up, looking up to the palms of the hands. And exhale, hands back to heart center. I hope you enjoyed my Vinyasa flow video today. In the next few weeks, I'll be making more videos to show you how to do each specific posture that we've just done in the flow, how to go into the posture and how to come out of the posture. So this will be especially useful for beginners, so do come and watch them as they are produced. So to help you to find these videos in the next few weeks, go to the description box below the video and click on the link. See you soon again. Namaste. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. There'll be more videos, so please come back to watch. And please click like and subscribe.